topic. So next topic is induction motor. So induction motor is an asynchronous motor. We will come to know what is asynchronous later. So for now, say it is an asynchronous motor, and it is mostly used in homes and industries, and it is more rugged, needs less maintenance and less expensive. Rugged means it is very, what to say, it is very strong. It will not get damaged that easily and needs less maintenance, so it is less expensive. It is available. You have both induction motor for three phase and single phase. Both the motors are available. So depending on whether you want to use it for a single phase load or a three phase load, you can use the appropriate motor. It's available for three phase and single phase operation. And three phase motors are used for high power applications because the power is three times larger than your single phase, right? So it is used for high power applications. See, in the last unit, we studied about DC motor, right? In DC motor, the input is going to be DC power supply. But for this induction motor, the input is going to be AC power supply. Either it is going to be one single phase AC or three phase AC power supply. How do you get a three phase AC power supply? With the concept what we have learned previously, by rotating the magnet in constant, having the winding stationary, you are going to generate three phase voltage. Okay, that is the generation of three phase voltage. Single phase motors will be used for domestic appliance where you need less amount of power, like fan, refrigerator, washing machine, pumps, and hand dryers. And three phase motor is used in high power applications like lift, crane, pump, exhaust fan, and lathe. So we in all the house mostly we are going to use three phase motors only, because the single phase or three phase induction motors only, because the supply what you get is single phase or three phase. If you want to use DC motor means the supply what you get is AC. You have to perform a conversion from AC to DC, and then only you can use the DC motor. So directly if I want to connect to the power supply and run a motor means I'll go for induction motor, which is going to be available in both single phase and three phase modes for different power applications. Mostly three phase motors are used for high power application, and single phase motors are used for domestic low power applications. Okay.